Hey guys, Jacob Rothenberg here, and this is the next lesson for social media domination, my free course on YouTube for promoting, selling on Amazon through social media. So what I want to talk about in this video is the overall blueprint we're going to use for promoting on Facebook specifically. And this is going to be an overview. I'm going to, in subsequent videos, provide a breakdown on each of the mechanics and each of the steps so that nothing is left to chance or ambiguity. Although if you have any questions afterwards, you can leave comments and I'll be sure to take your feedback for videos. But here's the plan for Facebook. Now, two things are required. Well, three things actually. Number one, you need to have your book uploaded on Amazon. You've got your product page up and it's live. It either needs to be live or on pre-order for your book to at least have a product page on Amazon that we can promote to. Number two, we need to have a lead magnet. Now, what is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is any piece of media, whether it's a PDF guide, a video tutorial, free course, any interactive piece of media that can be of value to your end user as an incentive to join or opt in to your funnel. So what we're going to do with requirement number three is have a Facebook group of your own. And the overall plan is to have the lead magnet inside of your Facebook group for download, and the funnel works as such. You're on Facebook, you have, for instance, a book on the ketogenic diet, the ultimate example. You want to ideally join other groups related to the ketogenic diet, even dieting in general, and once you're in and accepted, you want to interact and engage. All too often, people think that they can just comment on any random topic thread with a link to their group or product page, and that will get reliable traffic. And in fact, that's actually spamming. But what you want to do is warm up the community that you're in, have the admins get familiar with you, recognize you, and be comfortable with you posting. And after some time, after you build some credibility in your group, you will have more leeway and even more leverage to make a posting of your own that has a little bit of self-promotion. So interact, engage, and after some time, you make the post. And the post is going to lead to your own group with the incentive of giving your lead magnet as a trade-off for joining your group. Now, again, it's a free lead magnet, a free piece of media that's going to benefit your potential prospect, client, reader, whoever. And all they have to do is simply join your group and download the file. So it's really nothing of substantial loss, except maybe a few seconds of time for a person to check out your lead magnet. And it works beautifully with having people join your group. It has worked for myself, has worked for countless clients, and I think it's the ultimate go-to with growing your group without using paid traffic. Now, again, we're going to have the lead magnet featured on your own group for people to download. And in the next few videos, I'm going to break down the mechanics of how to create a group, how to join other groups, how to interact, post, what to write. I'll give you a template, and I'll even teach you how to make a great looking lead magnet in a matter of minutes. So hang on, and I'll see you in the next lessons. Take care.